One of the most confusing parts of being a new parent is determining the right car seat at the correct age. Obviously, you should start with a rear-facing infant car seat. An exception to this rule is the use of a convertible car seat. A convertible car seat has infant inserts to make it function as an infant seat until it's time to move up. This could be a budget-friendly way of skipping the infant-exclusive car seat that babies quickly grow out of. Infant seats are convenient because they fit into a base. The base is buckled into the car, and the seat itself doubles as a great carrier for a sleeping baby. The limit to an infant seat is generally 30 pounds and 32 inches. A convertible seat is the next step and can be rear-facing until it's time to move forward-facing. Best practice is to rear-face as long as possible, with a minimum of 2 years and 30 pounds before forward-facing. As a parent myself, I can tell you all of this goes by too quickly. For Auto Matters, I'm Penny Cobb Burkhalter.